Whoa! You threw it. No, not by the table.
Jump. Whoa. What? Oh, is it trash? Give it to Kylie and tell her to throw it away, please. Tell her, please. Thank you, honey. There's another one over here that you threw down there.
You're welcome for that.
Jump.
Kai, watch out.